Got a clogged drain? Seems like everybody's got a magic hack to clear it. There are any number of big name company chemical drain cleaning products that say they won't harm your pipes or the environment. Bull! They're caustic chemicals, for heaven's sake. Think what that's doing to our drain water infrastructure, Batman. Then there are these plastic drain snakes. You stick this down the drain and the clog sticks to all these little pointy things. Yeah, I'm not buying it. I've seen clogs that would eat this snake alive. I love this one. You stick this down your drain and you grab the clog with this little gripper at the end. Yeah, maybe if you dropped a ring, not a clog. So what will work? Well, it may not be fancy or new or trendy, but the best thing is still baking soda and vinegar. Tell your kids you're gonna make a volcano in the sink. It's like science in the sink. Be the cool mom or dad. Pour 1 cup of baking soda in the drain, then add 1 cup of vinegar. You're gonna get this foaming action. Let this fizz for a while, 10 minutes or so. Then flush with boiling water, repeat if necessary. But this tried and true formula, baking soda and vinegar, has undoubtedly cleared more drains than all those goofy hacks combined. Check out our other how-tos and subscribe. We've got lots of ways to help you be smart and save money.